Umengameli uRamaphosa uqale wabamba umhlangano nezithunywa zomnyango kahulumeni eFree State ukubala lokundunankulu uSisintombela. Ubese hlangana nezakhamuzi ezisedolobheni eliseduze eForesmith. Izakhamuzi zithi kudala zikhuluma ngezinkinga zasemayini kodwa azilalelwa umuntu.
We have raised these issues, Tamayini, countless times they have been raised. Our homes have been destroyed. Our family members are gone. Our grandmothers, our fathers. As we speak.
Umengameli uRamaphosa uqinisekise izakhamuzi eJagersfontein ezisusiwe ukuthi uhulumeni uzozakhela kabusha izindlu zazo. Uphinde wathembisa izakhamuzi ukuthi izophenya imbangela lenhlekelele.
We are here to assure you, or yes, we are going to give the best assistance, support and help that we can from, yes, a housing point of view, those who have lost their possessions and it's been washed away, your furniture, your clothing and everything, and we are going to attend to that. So everything will be dealt with in the detail that it is required. So don't lose hope. We are here on the ground together with various other organizations. We are going to give as much support as we possibly can.
Umengameli uRamaphosa uphinde wavakashela izakhamuzi ezilimele esibhedlela. Bangaphezulu kwama-80 abangeniswe esibhedlela eFree State, iningi labo lilashelwe ukungenwa amakhaza kodwa abanye sebededelwe. Kusenjalo, amaqembu ombusazwe asecela uhulumeni ukuba athathele izinyathelo umnikazi wemayini.
As the ANC, we are a bit concerned about the conditions and the safety of the people as a result of a production that is not assuring safety of the community.
Mine has been operational up until yesterday. These are the results of the very same mine here. It's so unfortunate that politicians are here but not here to assist people. They are here for their business interests.
We also want to know what the reasons were for this, because when one has disasters of this nature, there should have been some sort of pre-warning that the authorities should have taken into account to evacuate people in the areas that were in danger.
Abanikazi bemayini eJagersfontein Development bathi bakhungathekile. Inkampani ithi isibeka eceleni imali engu-20 million ukusiza izakhamuzi ezikhahlamezekile.